Is your Dodge Dart key fob not working? Let's get it fixed. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The Dodge Dart key fob uses a CR2032 battery, costing around $5 to $10. Open the fob carefully. A small screwdriver helps. Replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, and reseal. Still not working? It likely needs reprogramming. For 2013-2015 models, try the ignition cycle method. Insert the key, turn to run without starting the engine, press a button on the fob, turn the key off, and repeat. This often resyncs the fob with the car's system. If battery replacement and reprogramming don't resolve the key fob problem, the issue is likely with the keyless entry receiver module. This component, typically located under the dashboard or in the trunk, can fail due to corrosion, wiring problems, or moisture damage. To diagnose receiver issues, use a multimeter to check for proper power supply and electrical continuity. Look for 12 volts power and ensure wiring connections are intact. If the receiver is faulty, replacement is needed. OEM parts cost between $100 and $300, while aftermarket options are available for $50 to $150, offering a more affordable solution. Consider modern alternatives to traditional key fobs. Smartphone apps can bypass the fob entirely, providing remote start and lock functions through your phone. Universal fob programmers, costing around $100 to $200, allow you to program replacement fobs or integrate modern keyless entry systems for older vehicles like your Dodge Dart.